Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel. If you think it is very difficult to make a YouTube channel, let me correct you there. If you are watching this video on your mobile phone, you already have everything that you need to make a YouTube channel. Let me show you exactly what you have, how to make a YouTube channel, and how to get started. Let's go to the computer. Welcome back to the computer. Today I'll show you how to make a new channel. All the things you need to make a new channel, you already have. For example, if you're watching this video on your mobile phone, there we go. There is a camera on the mobile phone, so you already have the camera. All you have to do is go to your YouTube, let's say on a computer. I'll teach you how to do it on the mobile later, but this is your computer and you signed in. Okay, so you already have this account. If you're using an Android, even if you're using an Apple, you still need this account to sign into YouTube. So you most likely have a Google account, right? If you don't, just click here and create an account. Anyway, I'll sign in. So there we go. There we are all signed in. Okay, so this is a brand new account, your channel, and I have nothing over here. And now you're wondering, what should I do now? What should I upload? So make a video, right? Go here, go to upload a video, right? Select a file that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this video. Okay, this is my son's video. So there we go. All right, so let's say we want to name it cute drawing, right? So we were to make this, so we write something on the description, so might as well write the same thing. You see the video is already uploading here. It'll take not more than 18 seconds. Thumbnails, I'll teach you how to make a thumbnail and make a different video of this, how to make a thumbnail. Anyway, playlist is basically you group your playlist. This is how you create a playlist, and you group the similar things together so people who are interested will watch the similar things together. So over here you have to declare who are your audience. So if you're making the video for kids, say yes, it's made for kids. If you're not making it for kids, you just say it's not made for kids, right? Age restriction, are you making an over 18 video? You better not. Anyway, if you are, this is where you indicate that it's age restricted. You go to more options, and then if your video has paid promotions, you click here. Otherwise, you put some tags here. I will actually make a new video. You can see the bubble on the top very soon about how to make tags. It's very simple, and I'll tell you a tool or two. Anyway, set the language. So in my case, the language does not apply because he's just drawing. He's actually not saying anything. Captions, never aired on US television. A recording date, you should indicate YouTube really likes their data. And where are you uploading from? So in my case, I'm uploading from London. Okay, standard YouTube license, distribution license, that is. Now what are we doing? We are doing something, I think it's entertainment more like. Hold potentially inappropriate comments, and there we go. Just say next. And now I'll make a video about end screen and ad cards and everything. So no worries there. Over here we have a couple of options. I'll discuss this. This is a private video. So if you click here, it becomes private video. Only you and people you choose can watch this video. So as in like you and people you choose, you have to add the people here by their Google account, and then they can watch this video. Otherwise nobody else can. And here comes unlisted. Anybody with a link can watch this video, right? So this is the option of unlisted. So it won't be listed, but whenever you send a link to someone, he can watch it, even though nobody else without a link cannot watch it, right? So this is public. This is what you want. Everybody can watch your video. So this is what you want to make it public. Anyway, this is a nice interesting option. It's called schedule. So I can upload the video now and get it scheduled for, let's say, how long can I choose? I can put it on October. I am October 2022. So I can like 22 years or so. 2 years, I think. 2 years I can choose the video to be shown in the future. So that's interesting. Anyway, so does that, and just say like I don't want schedule, I want public, and I just click on public, and that's it. This is your video. This is your video link, right? So you can copy this link and send it to people on anything really. And this is, if you want to embed it, just click here and embed it. If you want embed it on a website or something, and then you have Facebook and you have Twitter and blog and God knows what and what not, and you can sign into all these things, and you can email people, you can Pinterest people, you can do all sorts of stuff. And if you just copy this, then you can actually do anything really. Send it on WhatsApp or Facebook or anything really. And then you just close this and you see this is the video. It's already uploaded. It's public. There are no restrictions. Date is 6th of October 2020. Views 0, comments 0, likes 0, and whatnot. So basically this is your channel. The channel is already made and ready for you to upload more things. Now let me discuss about let's say monetization, right? So you made a new channel. Okay, now you have 0 subscribers, 0 public hours, right? And what do you do now? Well, you really wait for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. So as soon as you have this, your channel can get monetized and you can start making money, right? So it says here, notify me when I'm eligible. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from the video, get creator support, and whatnot. Alrighty then. See you later. I have to still make videos about tags and stuff. So keep watching. Do subscribe, like and subscribe so I can bring you more videos in the future. Have a nice day. Bye bye.